Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing something juicy and layered. Any guesses what that might be? It usually comes with meat in the middle and 2 buns either side. That's right, it's a burger. Let's draw one together. Okay, let's draw a burger together. To start by drawing a dot in the middle of the page. And then we're going to, through this dot, run a smooth, semi-curved line like that. And we're then going to join those 2 lines together with a curved shape like this, almost half a circle. Then we're going to do our next layer, which comes out a little bit, and it's a wiggly, wiggly line all the way till we get just past our first drawing. Our next bit is a small line either side just below our top shape, and we're just going to draw a straight curved line like so. See that? Now for the cheese, go to the corner on the right hand side. We're going to draw a line going out towards the edge of the page. We're going to do the same for this side. Then we're going to bring that line down like this and back up like this to create a big V shape. Our next layer, follow our 2 points here. We're going to follow that down with a semi-wiggly line all the way so we're in line with our other shapes, like so. And lastly, we're going to join this corner from this corner with a smooth curved line like so. There we go, we've got our burger. Let's colour it in. And now to add the final details, I'm going to add some sesame seeds all over the bun, just like this, by doing small little oval circles all over the top. There you go. And there is our burger. What fillings did you put in your burger? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to diy.org to access creative, fun tools. You can also watch courses on loads of different subjects and share your creations with a community of like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.